Hello everyone, welcome to the digital platform of Manzil. So I am Tamanna and today I have come up with the Hindu vocabulary which is very important for all the upcoming exams. So let's begin with our first word. The first word is abrogate, which is a verb. The meaning of abrogate is repudiate, which means abhinishedh karna. Its synonyms are revoke and repeal. Antonyms are institute, introduce. And the example sentence is the ministry proposed to abrogate the dated electoral law. The next word is resounding, which is an adjective. The meaning of resounding is reverberant, which means gunjeman. Its synonym is resonant and its antonym is faint. The example sentence is I gave him a resounding smack across the face. Next word is demolition, which is a noun. The meaning of demolition is destruction, which means with once. Its synonym is razing and antonym is construction. Example sentence is the monument was thankfully saved from demolition. And the next word is discernible, which is an adjective. The meaning of discernible is visible, which means pratyaksh. Its synonyms are detectable, noticeable, and antonym is imperceptible. Example sentence is the scandal had no discernible effect on his career. Next word is gloom, which is a noun. The meaning of gloom is depression, that means udasi. Its synonyms are despondency and dejection, and antonym is happiness. Example sentence is last year was of economic gloom for the car industry. Sixth word is vulnerable, which is an adjective. The meaning of vulnerable is khatre mein, that is at risk. Its synonyms are endangered and unsafe, and antonym is safe. Example sentence is we were in a vulnerable position. Next word is hoard, which is a verb which means store, sanchay karna. Synonyms are store up, stockpile, and antonym is squander. Example sentence is thousands of antiques hoarded by a compulsive collector. Next word is rampant, which is an adjective. The meaning of rampant is uncontrolled, which means aniyantrit. Synonyms are unrestrained, unchecked, and antonym is controlled. Example sentence is political violence was rampant in the area. Next word is abet, which is a verb. The meaning of abet is assist, that means haath batana. Synonyms are aid and help, and antonym is hinder. Example sentence is his actions were shown to abet terrorism. The last word is mercy, which is a noun. Meaning of mercy is leniency, which means dhelai. Synonyms are lenience, clemency, and antonym is ruthlessness. Example sentence is the boy was screaming and begging for mercy. So that's all for today. Hope so you have learned something new today. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.